What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff, maybe like this. Now, I've done a few conversions with these toy hands and now with this NR200, which looks really cool. Not too sure what to put it in, but what do you guys think of this? What do you think of this? So this is just, you know, thought process. This is what I do. I sit probably in this chair for like an hour just looking first. So here is the Suzuki Jimny, awesome model, one of my favorites. That's a new one from FMS. I've done a video on that. I'll leave a little card there if you want. But the chassis is a double E chassis, which I did the red 1/8 crawler. I put the FS200 in it and FS100, I believe. Now I'm thinking, I really wanted to use the stock chassis, which is here, for the Jimny. As you can see, it's really nice. Everything goes here, but I want to see if I can save that. I want to see if maybe I can get another one from FMS, see if they can send me out another one where I don't have to cut up a whole body and everything just to do the conversion. Because the original one is really nice, as you can see. I started pulling it apart, and obviously the chassis sits on here, the upper, you know, all this plastic components sit up here. And if I needed to do the conversion, I'll take this off and move everything around. But it seems pretty tight. Obviously, you get rid of the transfer case here and you put a Revo transmission in there, like I always do. Like just here. Now to get the NR200 running, I'll probably just sit it in here first once I get the clutch, because there's clutch kits available. I'll leave the link for the NR200 and those clutch kits and all the accessories for that now down below, so that's cool. There you can buy clutches for these now. But that's the Revo transmission, and NR200 went in there like in the other video where I just started it up to get everything, you know, just showing you guys how it runs. But this is what I came up with at the moment. I'm thinking, wow, that looks pretty cool when it's jacked up. I don't know about you guys, but that's just sitting on there kind of roughly. The motor is not in here, you know, at all properly. It's just sitting in there to see if it all fits. It kind of does if it's jacked up to, or, you know, to the heavens like that. Obviously I'll sit it out a little bit more, but this is just in a concept phase. I don't want to leave this video too long. I just want to know what do you think of this? Or should I just scrap this idea? Because it looks pretty cool. If I went into this route, I need to cut up a lot of the interior, and the good thing about this is kind of modular. Here is the pedal box. Oops, there's a pedal box there. Out of this, didn't rip it in the air, it's just a couple of screws holding it, which would have made room for the Revo transmission, would have went down in there. But I'm not too sure. Obviously I get rid of all these excess bumpers and stuff, and one at the front as well. But I was just brainstorming what to do. That looks pretty nice in my opinion. Fits in there pretty damn good. Now, like I said, that goes there. Like that, you can make it fit. I don't know, this is where my wackiness comes in, and I guess maybe a lot of you guys will like it, as I do too. So the NR200 would fit into this as is, and you can be able to put the double E body on there, no worries. Little modifications obviously to the throttle linkage and all that kind of stuff, but you could make it work. So I didn't want to leave it too long. What do you guys think? You guys think I should do this, cut up the original one, or maybe try to get another one and use it on here and leave the original one for something else and just leave it electric, and maybe jack that one up a little bit, put some different suspension on the Jimny? I'm not sure. Let me know down below. I'll leave the, like I said, links are down below for all the NR200, and if you want that Jimny, that's there as well. But let me know in your comments. I do try to read all the comments and answer them as much as I can. So I just wanted to do something different. You know, I'll put it in the sand just to see how it runs, and it's going to be rear-wheel drive. See how that rips, because it's a really, you know, really high revving motor, so it'd probably get a little bit more top speed than FS200. So interesting to see. And if this one's revs high and goes really hard, then maybe being so high might be a little bit of a detrimental driving experience still, maybe to roll over too much. I don't know. We'll see. Please leave it down below. If you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe, because, you know, it's weird. I've got nearly 170,000 subs, and I'm only, you know, getting like 2,000, 3,000 views a video. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if you don't get notified or what's going on, or no one's interested anymore. I don't know. Let me know, guys. See you around. See you in the next video.